Fall from my eyes, dropping blood, who is to die? Someone will fucking die for all the tears, crying and weeping for fucking years. I'll never forget the day I cried, seeing my body fly too high. You're fucked up is all I hear, and what do you know? Here comes another fucking deadly tear. Sitting alone, we're alright, but hey, guess I'll put up a fight. Why? That bites. I did. Put up a fight when the walls is right. The snow trapped you in. It was it you died again. Thinking about when you leave, freedom, peace, and all you see. All is forgiven all the time. Heart still aches and the heart is mine. The days I would die before I'd become the person I hate. She would go to hell. He will fucking be the blame, and I will live on to see another day. As long as I never see her again, I think I'll be okay, cause I'm a diamond with the star. Hey, sheds a tear, they may look beautiful for about a year. They grieve, and she, with all the violence, hurt, and pain, yelling, screaming in the shame. I'm playing my back, look like a diamond, about to crack. They'll do just what you see, shatter and die, just like you and me. Growing up with my dreams, shouting out with the diamonds in the sky.
Come from the struggle, lot of rainy days. The angel in me slowly starts to fade. Smoking all the time, yeah, I'm fucking blazed. Causing terror like a hurricane in a raid. Keep calm and carry on, rewrite the wrongs. I try to touch you in song. To hell to everyone that did me wrong. So I keep my head up and remaining strong.
I cried a river and made a lake. My life's a nightmare, but damn, I wish it was fake.
I don't really know what to do, I wish I could escape. I try to run, but I come back to this place. This life a nightmare, but still I dream. No more relapsing, yeah, I'm clean like Mr. Sheen. I keep my head up, forever stay staunch. I set some goals, yeah, there's rockets in launch.